Hi there, everybody. Today we are going to be discussing factoring polynomials, specifically trinomials today. So something that has three terms. When when the leading coefficient, the number in the very front, is 1. So we're not dealing with anything with a 2, a 3, anything larger in the front, just a 1, an invisible 1, as you may see, because we can't see that one. And we are going to be taking that trinomial and turning it into a product of two binomials. So it's going to turn into something with two sets of parentheses with x plus a number and x plus a number. So that is what our final answer is going to look like. Some sort of number in both of those parentheses. They could be the same number, they could be different numbers, there could be addition, there could be subtraction, but we're going to be factoring, and so we have to think about factors or things that multiply together to equal certain things. So here I have in my example, x squared plus 7x plus 12. There are two numbers here that are very important, the 7 and the 12. What I am looking for are two factors or two numbers that multiply together that are going to equal the 12. They need to equal that positive 12. And then those factors also have a second job. The sum of those factors, or if I add them together, need to equal the 7. So I have to think of factors of 12, and those factors need to add up to equal 7. That is my goal. Now, it's important to note there are two important symbols here. I have two addition symbols. So both addition, if these are both addition, they are both positive numbers that I'm looking for. So both of the factors that I'm looking for are going to be positive, so I don't have to worry about any negative numbers at the moment. So you might start by listing factors of 12 in their sets. So 1 times 12 is equal to 12. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. And I believe that is all. So we're going to take those factors and we're going to check to see which one has a sum of 7. And you might be able to jump and be like, oh, it's this one. But some people need to list them out. So go ahead and list them out. 1 plus 12, our two factors, are equal to 13. So that one's not going to work for us. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. That one will also not work for us. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. And there we go. That is what we are looking for. So factors that multiply to equal 12 and add together to equal 7. So our two numbers that we want are 3 and 4. And we are going to write that in parentheses as x plus 3, close parentheses, open parentheses, x plus 4. So you can use these pre-made ones over here that I used. And that's our final answer. That is all we are doing, is coming up with numbers that multiply together to be the last number when we're in standard form and add together to be the middle number in standard form. So let's look at another example. So again, we are looking for things that multiply together to equal 20, our constant, and add together to equal 9, the number in the middle. So we need to multiply to equal 20 and add to equal 9. Now, both symbols, again, are positive. So all of my numbers that we're going to talk about are positive here as well. So we're going to factors of 20, add together to equal 9. So factors of 20. 1 times 20. 2 times 10. 4 times 5. And that's it. So 1 plus 20 is 21, so that won't work. 2 plus 10 is 12. That won't work as well. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, and there we go. We have the set that we are looking for. So our factored answer is x plus 4 and x plus 5. All right, I want y'all to go through, do example 3. You are looking for numbers that are factors of 24 and add together to equal 14. So take a moment, see if you can figure that out, and check back for your answer.